Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the exact Zkteco model and reading the firmware version in settings so you don't load the wrong file. Next, export a full backup of users, logs, and configuration to USB or your management PC. This preserves data if something goes wrong. Then, place the verified firmware package and the necessary USB drivers in a single folder. Once done, power the device from a stable source and connect the device to your PC or insert the prepared USB stick. You now enter the device into its firmware update or bootloader mode. Follow the specific key sequence for your model so the device accepts new code. Open the official Zkteco upgrade tool on your PC, select the exact firmware file, pick the correct COM or USB port, and set any optional flags like Keep Config if available. Start the flash and watch the progress bar closely. Do not interrupt power or connection. If the tool shows errors, note the code before attempting a retry. You finish by rebooting the device normally and confirming the new firmware version in System Info to ensure the upgrade applied. Next, restore settings from your backup only if necessary and perform a quick functional check. Enroll a test user, authenticate, and review logs to confirm stability. If the device fails to boot or appears bricked, immediately attempt recovery or bootloader reflash with the official tool and keep the original firmware available. One key tip: if flashing fails,
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.